Project Bluebird was a CIA mind control program lasting from 1951 to 1953, run by the Office of Scientific Intelligence. During this time, the CIA authorized experiments to be conducted by licensed psychiatrists. The experiments had various purposes, including but not limited to creating new identities, inducing amnesia, inserting hypnotic access codes in subjects' minds, creating multiple personalities, and creating false memories. The research also included placing brain electrodes in people and controlling their behavior from remote transmitters, administering daily dosages of LSD-25 to children for extended periods of time, and using electroconvulsive therapy to erase memories.